this is Deepanjali and welcome to Swad Bengal. Our today's recipe is chili paneer. Chili paneer is a very easy and quick recipe. So let's see what are the ingredients and how we can make this restaurant style chili paneer at home. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. Let's begin the recipe.
Here I have taken around 200 grams of paneer. In this I'll add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Now we will mix this properly. Now the paneer is well coated with the corn flour. It is properly mixed. If you want, you can add little bit water but not much. We will heat a kadhai and add little bit oil. Once the oil is enough hot, we will add the paneer cubes. We will fry the paneer in high flame. We will allow the paneer to fry from one side, and once it is fried from one side, then we will flip the paneer and fry it evenly from all the sides. The paneer is well fried now, so we will take it out in a container and we will remove the excess oil in this way. See, the paneer is well coated with the corn flour. Similarly, we will repeat the process for rest of the paneer pieces. Our paneer cubes are well fried now, so we will start preparing the gravy. For gravy preparation, in the same leftover oil, we will add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 2 tablespoon chopped garlic and cook it in high flame. Now we have chopped the veggies in square shape like onion, capsicum and tomatoes. In this, tomato is optional. If you want, you can avoid the tomato. Once the ginger garlic is fried properly and turns light brown in color, we will add the onions. We will fry the onions and wait until it turns light golden in color. Once the onion turns light golden in color, we will add the capsicums and add the tomatoes once the capsicum is partially cooked. We will add half teaspoon salt in the veggies so that the veggies cooks faster. Make sure you cook the veggies in high flame. Now we will add 2 tablespoon vinegar and mix it properly. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce and half teaspoon black pepper powder. You can add more soya sauce, black pepper powder as per your taste. You can also add chili sauce. Here I have not added chili sauce to keep it less spicy. Some spring onion. This brings a very good flavor, so this is compulsory in this recipe. Now we will add little bit water and mix the gravy. Now in a separate container we will add little bit water and mix 1 tablespoon corn flour. We will also add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Now we will add some chopped chilies. You can add the chilies as per your taste. And here I am adding the corn flour soya sauce liquid mixture. Mix the gravy properly and now we will add our paneer pieces. Keep tossing the paneer and mix it with the gravy. And once the paneer is mixed with the gravy properly, add spring onion. Add chilies, salt and black pepper as per your taste. Our chili paneer is ready to serve. See how delicious it is looking. You can serve it with some noodles or fried rice. It is very easy and quick recipe, so please do try this recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like our recipe, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. Have a good day. Take care.